The moment this motorhome rolls into view, it doesn't try to shout for attention, it commands it. The white, gold exterior feels calm, expensive, and confident, with black glass panels slicing cleanly through the body like precision-cut jewelry. There's nothing exaggerated here. No unnecessary aggression. Just balance, proportion, and presence. This is the kind of motorhome that doesn't belong to a campsite, it belongs on the road, moving quietly, turning heads without asking for permission. As we step inside, the transition feels intentional. The interior doesn't suddenly change personality, it continues the same language you saw outside. Soft pearl white surfaces curve gently around you, accented by champagne gold lighting that runs through the architecture rather than sitting on top of it. Everything feels compact, but never cramped. The ceiling height, the lighting, the way reflections bounce subtly off black glass panels, it all works together to make the space feel controlled and calm. We begin in the lounge, the social heart of the motorhome. This isn't a living room pretending to be in a vehicle, it's a lounge designed specifically for motion, stability, and comfort. The seating wraps naturally along the wall, following the curvature of the body, finished in warm neutral upholstery that reflects the golden light softly. There's no bulky furniture here. Everything floats slightly, visually light, allowing the floor to remain open and breathable. A sculpted central table anchors the space, holding a simple flower vase, nothing decorative for the sake of it, just enough life to make the space feel lived in. Along the side, the black panoramic window stretches horizontally, tinted and refined, letting daylight in without overpowering the interior. Subtle golden lighting traces the edges of the steps nearby, hinting at the second level without interrupting the lounge's serenity. Moving forward, the motorhome naturally guides us into the bedroom, and this is where the design slows down even more. The room doesn't rely on sharp lines or boxy shapes. Instead, the walls flow in soft amoeba-like curves, making the space feel organic and protected. The bed itself is sculptural, not typical, low profile, wide, and visually grounded, wrapped in neutral tones that pair perfectly with the gold lighting beneath. On one side, a small table holds a delicate flower vase, on the other, a warm lamp glows gently, creating balance without symmetry feeling forced. Black glass window panels frame the room, tall and elegant, filtering the outside world into something calm and distant. This isn't a place you rush into at night, it's a place that invites you to slow down. Just beyond the bedroom, the dressing area feels like a private transition zone rather than a utility space. Full-height black glass wardrobes line the walls, some panels reflective, others softly tinted. Several doors slide open to reveal neatly arranged clothing, bags, and shoes, all illuminated by warm gold lighting inside the cabinets themselves. The effect is subtle but powerful, the light doesn't spill, it glows. A floating vanity shelf sits opposite, clean and minimal, holding carefully placed essentials. A tall mirror reflects the soft gold tones without glare, and the flooring continues seamlessly, maintaining visual flow from bedroom to dressing area. This space feels personal, quiet, and intentional, exactly what it should be. From here, the motorhome opens into a compact executive office, proving that luxury doesn't have to be loud to be effective. The desk floats from the wall, sculpted and clean, holding a laptop, a coffee mug, a few books, and a small vase, enough to suggest productivity without clutter. The chair is comfortable but slim, designed for real use without consuming space. Soft golden lighting outlines the workspace, while a black glass window nearby brings in just enough daylight to keep the space energized. It's not a corporate office, it's a focused retreat, perfect for work on the move. The kitchen follows naturally, and again, it avoids anything typical. Matte finishes, smooth curves, and black glass integrations keep everything visually light. The counter flows in one continuous motion, separating the sink and cooking area cleanly without crowding. Appliances are fully integrated, present but never dominant. A compact dining ledge extends subtly, holding cups and a teapot, reinforcing the idea that this kitchen is meant to be used, not staged. Lighting stays warm and controlled, reflecting softly off surfaces without harsh contrast. Before we reach the spa, the bathroom deserves its moment, and it delivers. Compact but refined, the bathroom uses curved walls and reflective black glass panels to expand the space visually. A floating vanity, frameless mirror, and a compact shower enclosure work together without overlap or clutter. Lighting here is softer, more diffused, creating a spa-like calm rather than a clinical feel. Every element feels intentionally placed, proving that even the smallest spaces can feel premium when designed properly. Now comes the spa pool, fully enclosed, private, and deeply calming. This isn't an outdoor feature pretending to be luxury. It's an indoor retreat. The pool is compact, deep enough to soak comfortably, finished in dark stone that contrasts beautifully with the surrounding white and gold tones. Underwater lighting glows gently, reflecting across black glass surfaces and curved walls. The ceiling above flows in layered forms, diffusing warm light evenly, creating a cocoon-like atmosphere. This is where the motorhome stops feeling like a vehicle and starts feeling like a sanctuary. The gym follows, and here realism takes priority. Instead of oversized machines, the equipment is compact, professional, and believable, designed specifically for tight, controlled environments. The flooring is anti-slip, the walls are clean and minimal, and the lighting is practical but warm. Nothing feels decorative. Everything feels usable. This is a gym you'd actually step into, not one you'd avoid because it looks staged. As we move forward, the passenger seating area appears, not beside the cockpit, but positioned naturally as you enter the motorhome. 2 comfortable seats face inward, finished in warm neutral upholstery with subtle gold detailing. This area feels like a pause point, a place to sit, relax, and enjoy the journey without being isolated or cramped. Finally, we arrive at the cockpit. Straight on, driver-focused, and clean. The dashboard flows horizontally, finished in matte black and satin silver, accented by thin gold lighting that never distracts. The steering wheel, digital displays, and seating feel grounded and functional. Visibility is clear, proportions are correct, and the entire space feels designed for long journeys, not just dramatic visuals. And that's what makes this motorhome special. It doesn't rely on shock value. It relies on restraint, proportion, and thoughtful design. Every space feels connected, every material feels intentional, and nothing exists just to look good on camera. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because this is just one of many future-forward designs coming your way. Drop a comment and tell us which space impressed you the most, and stay tuned, because the road ahead is only getting more exciting.